What's going on, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. First time stopping in, my name is Phil Roy, and thank you to all the new subscribers I got. I'm glad you guys are enjoying the videos. As you guys just seen in the last video, we pulled out the 302 out of the 68 Cougar, and we're going to tear it down just to see what it looks like after sitting for 27 years. So hopefully it's not too bad, because y'all seen it crank. Only thing that gets me worried the most is the rust off the side here, because the water pump was completely seized up, and when we sprayed it out, all kinds of rust and God knows what came out of it. So enough talking, let's go ahead and get this thing tore down. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this old carb off. Now, just to clarify, I am not a mechanic by no means, and I never worked on a push rod before, or let alone tear it down, so don't criticize me too much, y'all. Look at that. Because look, all that rust. Damn.
How'd y'all manage to get that thing to fire?
Yeah, that's a good question. It's a Ford, baby. What do you suspect? Catch that. Ooh, boy. They're heavy, ain't they? Dang. Huh. So, fun fact about this motor is it only has 67,000 miles on it. And you know what? They don't look too bad. So, get a brand new piston. Oh, hell yeah, Bubba. Freaking mechanics, man.
Building mechanic.
All right, y'all, this is what we're gonna call it tonight, because old Phil gotta go to work in the morning. So does he. So we'll pick this up tomorrow. So, see you then. What are you doing? No, what were you doing?
There's your black bar.
Fool, you're supposed to pull the pin. Idiot. Y'all, this boy ain't got no common sense. Spin it on round. Come on. Dude. Look at all that crap that came out of it. Keep on spinning it. Gross.
She had a baby. Yep. Man, the attic sack just busted.
Yeah. They don't actually look too bad. So we're gonna take a ride cap. Oh wait, they go one way. I remember my cousin telling me they go one way and one way only. So I had a little boo-boo when I was knocking this piston out of the cylinder. I didn't catch it in time and broke the piston. Hold up, I got an idea. If we have any. Oh, yes we do. Little did y'all guys know, I'm also a doctor. So, get my good old trusty duct tape. Them hands are so slippery from darn beef. Damn. You only do this if you really, really, really have to, okay? I do recommend this, okay? I highly do. I highly, highly do. Make sure you get it in there really, really good first. And you know, you come over and you duct tape it. Alright, that's just to hold it just for a little bit, okay? That is a trackside repair. Then you know that ain't gonna hold it. Get you some more. Oh shit. Cut. And we're back. That didn't work. That didn't work at all. Probably due to all the grease. Well, I can say is I tried to save him, and he didn't want to be saved, so it's his time to go. So instead, we're gonna put this Dr. Pepper can in there. Oh, yeah, there ain't no saving that. No, some whatever. Oh well. It is what it is. Well, everybody, that includes today's video of what a motor looks like for sitting for 27 years. Original motor built in a 1968 302 small block. Other than that, you know, the cylinder walls are fine. It's gonna need cam bearings. I don't know about these bottom main bearings. They look fine. I don't see too many errors wrong with them at all. But anyways, if you like the video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. See you when I see you. Peace.